Okay, so I'm currently going to college and I am super late, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so I'm currently going back and I bought the stuff. You'll see what. Um, the plan is that I actually told him that I'm so sorry about that. The point is that I've actually told him that we are doing diet swaps, but we are actually doing the spicy noodles challenge. So that's why I bought the noodles and some things to add to make it a little bit spicy, because for some reason I have actually stopped eating Maggie. So I have no ramen, no noodles. So I just bought them. So yes, I will tell you the rest of the details after I reach home. So yeah. Okay, so I have reached my room and so now the plan is that I'm just gonna call him up and tell him to come over. So he's actually preparing some breakfast. I do not know what it is. Okay, so just so you guys know, it's very late and I'm still not ready. Okay, so I guess I still haven't told you guys who I'm collaborating with. Um, His name is Pratish and he's my classmate, and also he has his own YouTube channel. We actually kind of decided to do like a diet swap, but then I was like, it's no fun. So I decided to do the spicy noodles challenge, and he still doesn't know that we are doing the. Okay, so I'm just gonna look over there because my mirror is over there and I would like to see what I'm doing. So yeah. He still doesn't know that we are doing the spicy noodles challenge, and I actually decided to do the spicy noodles challenge because his spice tolerance is like 0. So this is gonna be fun. Okay, so he's on his way, but disaster that light chali gayi hai, and I'm sorry. Yeah. Without light the induction won't work and we won't be able to cook. So I mean, I should have prepared the Maggie beforehand, but then I mean, anyways. So okay, so and I told you guys that I was waiting for my ring light to come, but when it arrived without the stand, so I won't be able to use it. I'm just gonna use my old tripod. But you know, back there in the kitchen, there's literally no source of light, and the light that comes is like so dark and it doesn't look good. So I'm just going to film maybe very little. So back there in the kitchen the video might be a little bad, but then bear with it, I cannot do anything. Okay, so I saw him coming and I guess he's here.
My classmate. So yeah, nice room.
Okay.
So yeah, ready for the diet swap?
Yeah. Okay, so the Maggi is all ready, like almost done. Yeah, and now we are going to add some spices like Szechuan chutney and oregano and chili flakes, because I kind of know that he won't be able to even tolerate this much. So yeah, I'm just gonna go a little bit easy on him this time.
मैं मर जाऊंगा. यार ये ऐसे ही कितना स्पाइसी दिख रहा है.
Okay, so it's all ready, and for emergency uses I also got him this. Okay, so taste test.
तेरे को डर लग रहा है यार. स्पाइस ऐड कर रहे हो.
एक ही बाइट में ना?
एक ही बाइट में.
ये बिल्कुल भी स्पाइसी नहीं बना है. To be very honest, like मेरी spice tolerance भी is like kind of moderate, but then this isn't spicy. I'm sorry.
My thing is that कि मैं spices खाता ही नहीं. It's just because boiled and everything मैं बहुत simple और plain खाता हूँ. और जब भी मैं spice खाता हूँ, हाँ, I can't take it. ये उतना बुरा नहीं है, but I can feel the spice. और मेरी नाक बहनी शुरू हो गई.
Okay. चाहिए?
ये अब मेरे लिए बहुत
The moment you drink this, ये challenge तुम हार जाओगे.
देखो पता है एक प्लस पॉइंट क्या है मेरे को? मैं बहुत ज्यादा कॉम्पिटिटिव हूँ.
Nice.
बहुत ज्यादा.
खा पूरा.
वो इतना आराम से खा रही है.
मैंने बोला ना मेरी स्पाइस टॉलरेंस सही है, मॉडरेट है, और ये स्पाइसी बिल्कुल नहीं है.
I was very curious because मैं बहुत शौक से अपने ओट मील्स बनाता हूँ, बट लोगों को पसंद नहीं आता, तो आई वांटेड टू सी कि अनन्या को कैसा लगेगा. बट इनफैक्ट मैं अपने ओट मील बना के लेके आया हूँ.
कोई नहीं, मेरी टेस्ट दे.
हाँ, फॉर्चुनेटली वो स्वीट है.
तुम कैसे खा रहे हो? मेरे को भी हिट कर रहा है ये.
मैंने बोला आई एम कॉम्पिटिटिव.
नाइस. चलो जिसने पहले खत्म कर लिया वो जीत गया.
इसका खत्म हो गया है. ये चीटिंग कर रही है. मेरे बहुत बचा है यार, मैं बहुत स्लोली खाता हूँ.
ओके, देखो मेरा भी इतना ही बचा है, तुम्हारा भी
नहीं
इतना ही बचा है.
नहीं दिखा. ये देखो, ये देखो. हाँ,
मेरा
ये
भी
देखो,
इतना ही है.
ये इतना सा इसके पे. चलो
मैं तो तुम खा रहे हो.
लेट्स डू दिस. चीटिंग कर रही है यार. मैं एक राज की बात बता दूं?
बताओ.
छोले समोसे.
बता दो. नो प्रॉब्लम.
एक्चुअली हम ये व्लॉग शूट करने से पहले हम सारे डिस्कस, मतलब हम दोनों मिलकर डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि हम करने क्या वाले या फिर क्या होने वाला है. तो व्हेन इट केम टू डाइट स्वैप, तो आई एक्सप्लेन हर कि मैं मॉर्निंग में या तो ओट्स खाता हूँ या फिर मैं पीनट बटर सैंडविचेस वगैरह खाता हूँ. एंड व्हाट शी सेड वाज कि ये छोले समोसे खाती है. सुबह उठ के पहले चीज छोले समोसे
एंड कॉफी. कॉफी एंड छोले समोसे. बैड कॉम्बिनेशन, बट देन लाइक सम डेज, ऑन डेज जब मुझे एक्चुअली में जंक खाना होता है, मैं यूजुअली ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं करती हूँ, बट देन अगर मैं करती हूँ तो यही जंक वाला होता है.
और मैं उसका ऑपोजिट. आई कांट ईट जंक.
इसी वजह से we were doing diet swap. So we finally came on to the conclusion कि since ये हारा है, इसको बची हुई शेजवान चटनी खानी पड़ेगी. So like I kind of went easy on him, but then he can't escape. देखो, let me tell you a trick, ठीक है? अगर तुम धीमे धीमे खाओगे, so you will feel the spice. और एक साथ खा जाओगे, so इतना पता नहीं चलेगा.
ये अभी प्लान कर रहा है just because I could tolerate the spice. ये इसलिए अभी प्लान कर रहा है कि जिसने हारा वो ये खाएगा.
Okay, so that is end of the spicy noodles challenge. I won, he lost, and yeah, that is it for the video.
Okay, you guys, so quick update here since I'm literally rushing to my class right now. I'm already very late, but I was so busy I did not film much, but I had my lunch and quickly shot an intro and outro for a video which will most probably be up by this week. And yeah, I'm already very late. Bye.
Okay, so I got back from my class at like 5 o'clock something, and I was so freaking tired and exhausted. I'm just drinking some coffee, and it's currently, I guess, 6 o'clock right now, and my energy is all drained, and I don't think I can do anything else except editing this video right now. So I'm just, and also I need to work out today because I haven't been working out recently. If you have seen my previous videos, I literally say this in all of my videos and never exercise. So yes, I also need to work out, so I'm probably going to work out by like 8 to 9. Yeah, I do that. So maybe I'll see you guys while I'm working out, or maybe when I'm editing. And yes, I was so tired that I did not even remove my makeup. Okay, so a little update. I did exercise, but I started exercising at like 7:30ish to 8, like between 7:30ish to 8, and I exercised for like an hour or so, and so many crazy things happened. But okay, and then I took a shower, and then it's currently 10 right now, and my food still hasn't arrived, and I'm super hungry. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go and finish editing my videos. I still haven't started editing my today's vlog, and I so wanna do it because, you know, I just wanna get it done with, because I have literally 4 unedited videos other than today's video, and I don't know, I literally these days I haven't got the motivation to actually sit and edit my videos. Also, I don't know if I will be able to update you guys because I pretty much know myself that I will sleep without ending this vlog. So I'm just gonna end it here. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, all that good stuff, and thank you for watching.